I'm very pleased to introduce our most vibrant and futuristic campus for the School of Future. It's coming at Lulu Twin Tower at Kochi Smart City. Looking forward to welcome all the futuristic talents at School of Future.
We are happy to welcome School of Future, SOF, to Kochi, to the Lulu IT Twin Towers. I'm sure they are going to add great value to our client community as well as the student community of Kochi.
This program is for anyone who wants to be a leader in a big MNC. This is for anybody who wants to have a real impact in a growing family business from Kerala. This is also for founders who want to create scalable businesses out of tier 2, tier 3 cities of India. All of you are welcome to do our application and become a part of our cohort starting in July 2026 in Kochi.